Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So in this video I want to share with you a latest news. So this is a prediction, it hasn't been confirmed, but I've done like a few bit of research as well that as per the current plan, the lockdown is supposed to be getting over on 21st of June. So the idea was that all the nightclubs would be open, there won't be any legal limits for social distancing, and everything, like basically everything will be back to normal. That is what the roadmap was, but I think it could be delayed, and that is what I want to share, that why I think so. But before I start, I want to share the information. I would really appreciate if you can click the subscribe button, because I was just checking my analytics, more than 80% of you haven't subscribed. So it is your subscriptions and your likes which drive us to make more content for you. So please make sure to drop a subscribe if you haven't done yet. So now let's straight away move to the topic of this video. So what I have been reading on the newspapers is that so basically what is happening is that in terms of the UK COVID cases, you might be able to see a chart in front of your screen that the UK COVID cases are really increasing. So in this graph you would have seen that big spike, so which was around February or January, which we call the second spike in the UK. Then the cases went down, and that's why the government took the decision to open everything out. So currently the restaurants are opened, like people can go to restaurants to eat food, the gyms are open, most of things are really open right now. But what you can see is that like towards the right hand side of corner of this graph, the cases are again increasing. So basically I think yesterday there were about 6,000 cases, before that there were 5,000 cases, and this is due to a Delta variant. And Delta variant was like first found in India, and basically this Delta variant is very contagious. So that is kind of news which we have got. Basically now if there are, like, let's say there are 10 people who have got COVID cases, 9 of them has got the Delta variant, and which has caused the COVID. So basically this Delta virus is very contagious and is very harmful and could potentially lead to high number of cases. The prediction is that if like everything, like if there isn't a lockdown, then by 21st of June there would be 15,000 cases every single day. So which is quite alarming, and that's why most of the officials are requesting the Prime Minister to push back the end date of 21st June. So might be, I think I was reading on BBC that it will be 1 month more that the lockdown would be extended. So instead of 21st of June, it might be that 21st of July is the date when everything is going to open. So basically this was something which I felt to share with you, because I think that is very much important for you guys. Now I'm not sure, like in this another lockdown period, will the restaurant close, will the hospitality sector again close down? There isn't any kind of full guideline thrown out to us. So might be when this news is official, they will be publishing all the rules and regulations, and I'll happily make one more video for you to update that. Now in terms of your September intake, so what I think is that might be in the initial phase between September to December, might be your universities are online. Like I think most probably, I hope it is like on campus, but I think be prepared, like keep this in your mind that there's a bit of a possibility that it could be back again online classes. So but I think there will still be September intake, students will be coming, they will continue their career. And in terms of the jobs, I think jobs are even now available. So as I said, like if the hospitality sector shut down, then the jobs might be reduced, but there isn't like official news yet. And as I said to you, if the extension is just for 1 month, then again you've got full of a gust for the economy to recover, for the jobs to recover if you're coming in the September intake. So let's see how does the things goes. Everything is very uncertain, and that's why I just thought to kind of share this news with you. And please make sure to drop a like, okay? If you are watching these videos, enjoying them, make sure to always hit that like button, and also subscribe the channel so that you can get the regular notifications. This is the video which I will recommend you to watch next. Thanks for watching.